the step-by-step roadmap on how to build your own personal brand. Do you feel that every single time when you're putting out that content out there on social media, you see nobody or hardly few people, repeated people responding to you, and there's no amount of leads that you are able to generate? If you are someone who is struggling to create your own brand voice in the market, then hi, my name is Gargi Arya. I'm a life and a business coach. I have two ventures. I have a coaching community, Quantum Leadership Academy, and I have a digital marketing company that is Freedom Ventures. And today I'm here to let you know what all I did in order to make these two parallel things going side by side with a great amount of success. And today the first thing that I want to tell you when it comes to creating your own personal brand is, please understand and give yourself your identity and the brand voice. If you are someone who is setting up your own personal brand, you need to understand what it actually means. Who are the people that you want to work with? Who are the people what is the main problem that you are solving? And what does your brand actually stand for? What are the values of your brand? Because remember, when I am speaking, maybe that those values you are able to see just because I'm being authentic and I know that this is my brand voice and I want to represent that in the outer world. So just make sure that the first thing you need to be clear on is your brand voice, your brand identity, so that you're able to understand what fonts, what colors, and what type of elegance feel matches your brand identity. The second thing which I want to state when you are establishing your personal brand is, understand that the more you are visible, the better the credibility and the trust is going to be. You know what? A content journey is not easy. Going on social media is not easy. Making videos is not easy. But it's worth it at the end of the day if you have a vision that you're looking for. Because you know what? Me being an introvert, me being a person who is completely shy and going out very confidently in the online world was one of the biggest challenges that I used to face. But with practice and because I have a huge vision to work for, I know all of these things are just a part of the process. Failure, rejection, even those days you will have to face when nobody is going to respond, when nobody is going to comment, when nobody is going to like, when no results will show up. But at the end of the day, who are you exactly working for? What is the vision that you are working for? Please make sure that you start with one social media, but as and when that you are expanding, you start on YouTube, you start your journey on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, every area that you see. Because you know what, I'll tell you this key thing that I use. Everywhere my audience is, I need to be there. Because if I will not be there, people will not be able to understand who is Gargi Arya and what does she do, right? So just make sure to build that strong online presence. And in the starting it was very difficult for me, but today I love all of it that I do. So just make sure that you put out a strong online presence. And the third thing that I want to tell you when it comes to building your personal brand is, understand the importance of monetization. A lot of times what happens is we just feel that everything needs to be given for free, but it does not have to. Because what happens is, when you give things for free for a very long period of time, people do not value it. And at the end of the day, all you're going to feel is burnout, unsatisfied, and you're just going to feel, you know what, let me leave the plan of building my personal brand. So please remember, it's very important for you to learn the right skills of monetization, sales, marketing, being able to communicate with people, being able to influence the other person so that they understand that this is the problem I'm facing and this is the solution that I need. I hope this is clear. These are the 3 things that you need to have when it comes to building your own personal brand. And the very, very important is to be consistent in building your online presence. Because remember, we live in a world of social media. The more the more your content is, the better your brand will get the visibility, credibility, and trust. I hope that sounds very clear to you. If you have any doubts, please feel free to write that in the comments below. From now onwards, you are going to see a good amount of videos coming up on the topic related to personal branding, life coaching, mental health issues, and so much more. So stay tuned, because something big is coming up very, very soon. Make sure to subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.